Stupid. Where's we going, asshole? Are we going to Dobro?
I
No,
don't know,
baby.
you're jumping.
I'm not. You
Yeah,
are.
you are.
Oh my gosh, I have to pee.
Oh, well then
You're-
give it back to me. Why'd you accept it? I'll go to Dobro.
Well, because you said that. Hey, I have to pee.
Oh my god. Piss it out. Piss it out. Don't dribble down your leg. Squat to our left. Solo to our right. When I dip, you dip, we dip. 1,600 meters. Should I stop and get a car or... Boom. Again, so I can't get a car. I don't know where that squad to the left went. No, they're below us. Straight below us. Yeah, we're good. Jinky. Are you streaming, Jinky?
Okay, I'm back.
I'm white.
I didn't dribble down my leg.
Oh.
I said back, but if you're white, that's cool.
Oh,
Funny guy.
man. Fun guy, not funny
Stop,
guy.
Cam, stop. Go where?
Well, I'm gonna
In the
push
kitchen.
right down to
Why
these
do I-
warehouses and get a flare. Hopefully vehicle. You guys want to break off and float there? You can. You can do what you want to do. I'm gonna hit some warehouses.
Hold on a second. I only have 2 hands.
And one is holding a peepee.
No. No. It's not. Not how it works for me, but okay.
It's not.
It's not.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
It's whatever. You guys are just, oh.
You know how to piss me off so bad.
Oh yeah, that's right, huh? Oh,
I got supplies.
You gotta stop. Hey, come here.
I got supplies.
Who likes this? Who's got the slur?
Marked a location. Marked a location.
He's dead.
Here, look, you have chocolate milk right here.
He had an
Yes, right
MPK.
there. Eat
Anybody
it.
want MPK? Oh, Maze, where'd you go? 500 meters away again?
You said to go to the mark. I'm going to the mark.
No, I said break off and hit a building. I'm just kidding. I did say you can go to the market if you want.
You said float. I floated as far as I could. But Arya wants my attention, so I'm on auto run.
Alright. I'm auto running towards you.
She's on crackhead run.
Okay. No, I never did crack. Wasn't my choice.
Just meth.
No, I didn't do meth either. Not my drug of choice, huh?
No, mine's
No, I'm
weed.
too scared to get into any other drug.
Same here. I have an addictive personality. Fuck that
Yeah, I
shit.
found that out too late.
And my dad was a drug dealer. He'd run drugs from Idaho to Arizona. Died from it, so
See,
another
my-
reason kept me away from
none-
coke.
Nobody in my family ever really. I mean, my dad drinks and shit, but he's not like an alcoholic, so I really didn't even know until you fuck around
Did you
with
hit
shit
it?
and then you get addicted.
No, you didn't hit it.
Marked a vehicle.
Sweet. Zima? UZA? Fuck? The fuck is called
UAZ.
Zima?
Are you dyslexic?
Yes, I'm dyslexic. No, I've never seen it say the UMs or the Zima for part in front of it before.
It's always
God.
said it.
Really? I thought it
Yeah.
just said UAZ.
No.
You sure?
And you're a special kind
Positive.
of person, aren't you?
You positive like AIDS?
Yes. Oh my god. No, like your test that you showed me. That's how
Nah, she's probably like Rona.
Positive like Rona. Positive. I sent her this picture. It said test negative for Rona, and it's a picture of like
a long
negative
list
for
of.
AIDS and all this shit negative of.
What was the funny part? He did tell it.
It said positive for a big dick.
I was like, you had to get tested to figure that out? Like, wow.
I don't know.
I guess they
They
like
send Maze
use their
over.
hand and measure. Whatever. I see her explaining it.
I got supplies.
Grab you by the balls. I'm gonna hit this one, actually. What color am I? Yellow? Why am I always yellow?
I don't know, because you're an asshole.
Oh, assholes are always first.
Well, it's a primary color. Just kidding, I really don't think it is the primary color, but is it? It is, huh? No, I don't know. Yellow. Yellow.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah? Yes, yellow, baby. What color are the stars? Yellow? What's your favorite
Your
color?
butt.
Who are you
Do you
talking
like
to?
blue? I got her.
Buddy.
Oh, stop.
You can do whatever. I'm hitting these warehouses.
Get off.
No.
I'm just hitting some warehouses. Flare hunting.
Oh my god, your hands are cold. Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. Oh,
Stop.
oh no. Yeah, just find that. Anybody need a vert grip? Anybody need a vert grip? Two vert grip.
No.
Over at this warehouse. Get a grip. Get a grip. Anybody need to get a grip?
You need to get a grip.
Dude. This cold's making me go insane. When your
Did you get
ear
that
is
cold
plugged-
medicine?
I told my girl to get it yesterday. She forgot. So no. But anyways, when you have a plugged ear
Oh, the
or plugged,
throw her ass and grass back outside and go get it.
I know. I gotta get myself. I gotta get myself. I have a cast iron pan, but I don't think I could beat her with it.
But you could me?
Well, yeah.
Huh. Just that insignificant.
That's the way you want to look at it.
Nice.
I only hurt the ones I love.
You what? Oh my god.
Jinky, you're cutting in and out. I heard
I think I heard
potatoes.
something about a potato.
And so did I. Jinky, what you talking about? You get a potato fetish?
I got supplies.
Oh.
I got supplies.
Level 3 backpack? Fuck, that stops at way 700 meters.
Oh, Arya. Now what do you want to watch?
I'm marked. That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's
There
all that
is
matters.
shit here.
Now, why do you think I left? I took off running.
Well,
I
you
pulled a
could've-
maze.
Amazing. Oh my god, your hands are cold. Stop.
Yeah, I'll be heading towards you
touching
shortly. If there's a vehicle in this garage.
It's cold, baby. You're cold.
Ooh, somebody's been here. Doors
No,
are
you're
open. What in the fuck?
Where's the remote?
What in the fuck?
Yeah,
Up your
so I
butt.
can press play.
Yeah.
Whatever. God, you guys are gross.
Ooh,
Ouch.
who's gross? We're talking
What?
about bots. What are you talking about?
A remote. What, babe? Grab it.
Remotes are gross? Oh no, they were here.
Fucking
They took the snowmobile? Oh no, they took the vehicle. Yeah, they were there.
Hey, stop touching me.
I'm
You're
out of
cold.
here.
You don't want to watch this one? Look, I don't have time to do this all day. You can watch this one.
Hey, the
zone's,
guys. Guys, the zone. You're in the blue zone. Jinky, there's nothing here. I already ran through everything.
I marked
No.
the car in that
I have a
thing
car.
down there.
What are you talking
Oh my
about?
god. My ping's at 504.
Nut, are you picking up Maz?
Nope. We'll leave her.
No? Okay. Alright. I'll come pick you up then. I was talking to Jinky. I'm on my way to pick you up, Jinky. I know, I'm just messing with you.
There's a car right there. Okay.
I don't know. That's a good question. Thanks. So there's a car in this garage that is no longer here. Tire tracks head this way. I'm gonna go towards them, but not all the way.
Oh my
but-
god, what the fuck?
Okay, they're right behind us.
Fucking
Are you guys
ping.
stopping to loot?
No. I was trying
Where'd
to
you
kill a
go?
guy, but my ping is fucking crazy and I'm glitching
Road.
across the screen.
Alright, he's this way. I like it. Oh, you're in a snowmobile? Hop in. Or keep going. There's people up here somewhere. The tire tracks ended up on the road. I don't know where they went after that.
We're gonna have to cross the bridge.
Mark it so I can head there. Is that the blue
I
mark?
did. It's on the blue mark, yeah. There's
Jinky.
crates up here.
Jinky, how you doing? I'm gonna jump to the back seat and put fuel in the car.
Oh my god, there's so many freaking crates up there. That was a bad spot to try to do that.
Why? We're in zone. Everybody's out of zone.
You're not in zone, and there's
I
tons
know,
of death
exactly.
crates back there.
Exactly. Better late than never, my mama always said.
I don't know where you guys want to go. Oh shit. Hey! Don't do that!
Entertainment in life, the little things in life.
The best things in life are free.
We should push this shore and just camp the shore.
Whoa, whoa.
Yes, no,
Okay,
yes.
don't. I don't know, but don't run me over with the car again, because you knocked my ass yesterday doing
Oh,
that.
shoddy. Was that an M4?
I did that.
I know, I'm just informing everybody, don't run me over, because I got
Don't
knocked
run me
doing shit
over.
yesterday.
He needs it 4
Right
times.
shit here.
Asshole.
Asshole, come here, asshole.
Hola mia.
Thank you, naughty boy.
I'll take your red
Got a
dot.
flare going up. Who's shooting?
Shots.
Yeah, we got shots over here.
Maze, hold up. Nobody's with you. Don't shoot. Do not fire one shot.
Okay,
If they
so
come at
I'm
us,
not.
we're all gonna die.
I'm not even. They can't see me. I'm looking.
Do you see them?
No.
I don't see them either. They're deep in there, so.
Well, why don't you just crawl up in there then?
Oh, they just shot a flare,
Oh,
too.
who did that?
They did. Let's wait for that shit to drop down a little bit, and then we'll fucking kill them all.
There's a flare coming down. There's a flare coming
Yep,
down right now.
Marked a location.
Oh,
Yeah,
there is,
someone shot the flare behind us, you guys.
Nobody shot
Look
a flare
behind
behind
us.
us. That's in. I
Yep.
don't see
Yes.
one behind us. Oh, shit, there is one behind
Turn
us.
around and look up.
We're gonna get pinched. This sucks.
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? I'm
Okay,
going
let's
back
get
to
in
the
the car and
vehicle.
go somewhere else.
Amen to that, sister, brother. Yeah, we're coming to get you.
It's just like legit right there.
Yeah.
I don't even have the guns for this. This is gonna
I don't
suck.
either. That's why we're not doing it.
Who needs a boost?
Thank you.
Oh, I can't tell who's talking half the time anymore.
Why? Because we sound so sexy.
No, because it's
You want to push that one
muffled.
behind us? You want to push the one
Oh,
behind
now
us?
I can tell the difference.
You want
Maybe.
to, or go to zone?
I don't know. I have a G36 and a UMP. None of these guns are good for me.
They're
That's
off
what's
to
in
the.
zone. Those guys are in zone.
All right, what's the plan?
Okay. Jinky, come here.
What's the
Come
plan?
here. That's all I got. Enjoy.
Here.
The one
Marked
behind
a
us is not in
location.
zone. That's out of zone. All right, I'm getting in the car and getting out of here. Mass, you take off running, Mass?
Yeah, of course I did. Come down the hill. I'm right here.
What side
She's
is it?
always
Left
fun.
or
Go
right?
straight. Go straight. Or backwards.
Oh, you said
Just
straight.
go!
I went straight.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
That's why you.
He's trying to
How'd
run
you
you
all
over.
die?
Why?
I don't know. We just
Yeah.
took off in all different directions when there's a vehicle sitting right here. I don't know how we all
I was
died.
looking while you guys are sitting there measuring each other. I was fucking scoping out people.
Why, you got the hots for him?
You're like fucking comparing dicks and shit. I'm making sure people weren't coming up on us.
Is that what we call it now?
I don't know. Is that what you call it? Sword fighting? Is that what you call it? I don't know what the fuck you were doing. Oh my god,
Docking.
there's a drop.
It's called docking.
Docking.
Oops. Man, everybody gets so jumpy. I'm just gonna leave. Everybody jumps, I leave. I don't care anymore.
You got far. Are you gonna run this into the water?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I'm irritated
Are you
about
really?
it.
Why? We're all in the car. Just shoot him.
I don't need it.
Hey,
You
I
have
want
that.
the bolt action.
Dropping a 4-time, picking up 6 times. He's got an 8 times. A Healy, M16. He didn't take any of the guns. He just took the Healy. I don't know if there's guns.
Can
It's
you
probably
take
just
the
DB.
fucking
It's
gun?
probably just a DBS.
Left not.
Not. Is he stuck?
Who will kill
We
you?
can hang
I'll
out
do
up
it
here.
then.
I think we should hang out
Okay,
up here
well,
until zone
I'm
changes.
running after the ball.
Did somebody grab that
If
4
somebody,
and 6 times or 8 times? Oopsies. I'm gonna hit my scope button, my shoot button.
oh my god, dude, I can't believe you didn't take this. What is wrong with you?
What is it?
Don't. An AWM.
Really? You didn't take
Yep.
it?
Nope. He didn't take it, so I did.
I probably wouldn't either. But ew, okay.
Marked a location.
Are we going to get it?
Oh.
Or are we just gonna stay here and hang out?
Well, then let's stay here.
Marked a location.
There's a hole there.
Yeah, I fell in
Marked a
there.
vehicle. Marked a location.
That's a drop.
What the fuck kind of scope you have? Infrared? X-ray? So do I. I don't see shit. So I was asking you what kind of scope you had.
You pushing them nut?
God, no, there's a whole swath.
Marked a vehicle.
Somebody's shooting over there.
Marked a location.
It's foggy as shit.
Marked a location.
There's hay bales?
Oh, I see him. He just went around the back side of that building.
Hay balls?
Jinky, just so you know, you, are not very camouflaged. You're wearing a white ghillie on top of brown rock. I mean, that's...
Marked a location.
What's over there? Yeah, you could if you didn't wiggle so much.
That's a car.
Guys, if we stay up on top
Marked
of
a
this,
location.
if we stay up on top of this,
We got people here.
Yeah.
where? Oh, see him? He dead? He dead? We,
Yeah, he's dead, but I just gave away our position because of that.
Uh-huh. You guys should push back over here on this rock.
Wait,
We got
wait,
very
wait,
good
we can't
advantage point. Very
Watch
good
out.
advantage.
God damn it. Yeah, there's a dude up top.
Marked a location.
I don't see him
Okay,
though.
keep an eye on him. I'm gonna keep an eye on the smoke, because when these guys come out, I'm gonna get him.
Only 400 meters. Why isn't it on range? 6 times. Oh shit, I tell
Did you
ya.
knock the dude that was
Marked
right
a
here?
location.
Yep.
No, there's another
No,
one
you
back
didn't.
there.
Right there.
Got him. They're dead. I killed that one instant.
Marked a location.
Okay, watch
don't
our
see
backs
nobody up
now.
there.
We've definitely given away our position.
No, don't see him.
Marked a location.
Don't see him from my angle. Why am I moving? I'm not moving. I'm staying up on this goddamn rock. That's fucking covered.
Oh my god, we got so many people right now.
Marked a location.
Maria, don't hit me. I need both of my arms steady. There's an MK in this box.
Watch
He's
out.
behind this tree. He's behind that tree. Healy suit is behind that tree. Knocked him. He's knocked. He's gonna have mates coming for him now. Got him.
We got someone really close behind us.
Marked a location.
Okay.
Is that behind the barn or in the barn?
Marked a location.
I can't see them guys anymore.
I'm gonna watch my side. Anybody can jump up on this perfect covered rock that we shall all be on.
Okay, well, let's go on your perfect covered rock we should all be
Like
on.
that guy. Like that guy. Trying to sneak
Yeah.
up on
Oh
me.
my god.
You piece of shit. Yeah. Instant. He had a flare but no fucking gun.
He probably picked it up off someone.
Probably.
I know, I saw it.
Yeah, I see it.
Marked an airdrop.
Oh, I hit it. I already hit it. I told you what was in it.
You got another in the blue. Another guy in the blue. Another guy in the blue where we shot from.
In the blue?
Where?
Okay.
355.
Okay. Oh, fuck, the trees are in my way.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. He's right
Watch
here.
out.
He's right here. Down in that little valley. He's gonna be coming up the side. I'm grabbing left nut. Don't let him kill us.
I gotcha.
Oh shit. I was trying to grab smoke, dude. Hold still. What's throwing smoke gonna do if you don't hold still?
Throwing masses. I gotcha, I gotcha, I
Watch
gotcha, I
out.
gotcha. I gotcha, I gotcha. Are those smokes hitting you at all?
Yeah, we're good. We're
No.
good.
Alright. I'm watching guy on roof. I don't see him. I'm watching the roof. I don't see him. Ooh, he sees me though. Definitely saw me, that's for sure.
That dude wearing blue is not on that roof.
Watch out.
He was right there. He's dead. Is there a guy on the roof still, you think?
Oh, I saw that.
Oh shit, they see me. Ooh. Ooh, lay down. Lay down. No, I took off running.
The same area.
Same area. He's got a PP. Or behind a fence, or... Well, he's got to move. The zone's going to be on us. I think. Oh, good. Switch up my helmet.
Hurry
Little
up.
shack to the right. Little shack to the right.
Mark it for me, will you?
Marked a location.
Yeah, just marked if you ain't got shot.
I'm sorry. I don't. He's not at the shack.
Why?
He was right there.
Why? Why
Because
push by yourself?
he's right there on the tree on the grass.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Laying down.
Mm-hmm. Why push? Oh. My mollies were too far. That's funny.
Like a basis box, some of the three-bagger box.
Turkey leggings. Yeah, I'd sell them all. Wouldn't you sell them all? Turkey leggings, having some fun. Ooh, shit! 1 point away from round one. One. Right? Uh-oh. Okay. My headphones were going to shit. Fuck.
Where's that?
You know what it is here? 106. we were 117
You know what it is here?
2 days ago. 86. What is it there?